Good day, guys. Welcome back. Today, what we have is gold. We want to see where this gold will be moving. So let's start with this trend, right? You can clearly see that this gold has been giving us a bullish move, and one of the reasons is that there's this kind of like correlation between our gold and USD, right? If you follow this trend consistently, I usually see it that once you start seeing a bearish move on USD index or DXY, then we tend to have a bullish move on our gold. But once this DXY tends to start giving us a bullish move, then we will be seeing a bearish move on our gold. So we can clearly see what is happening on our DXY or USD index, right? If you take a look at it properly, you see that DXY is actually giving us a bearish move, especially on the daily time frame. So there's no doubt that we will continue to have a bullish move on this, gold, right? So we now see that this is kind of like an impulse move. We would see this as a correction on gold. We take this as an impulse move, right? Here comes the correction on gold. This is the new highs. Of course, a new correction needs to be made. This is exactly what we are having. So, is this correction over, right? Well, possibly yes and possibly no. But one thing I know for sure is that the correction would be over anytime soon. Within um 23 and on the 23 and on the 24, then we will start having a bullish move. Kind of, we saw that this gold actually went bullish today, which was 22, right? The gold actually went bullish today, right? And it eventually dropped, right? Because on that 4-hour time frame, it still looks like we are on a bearish move, which we'll go to that later. We will soon go to that. But when you take a look at this gold, right, we would want to see we are on a retracement to right. We are retracing, so we would want to add this our Fibonacci retracement, right? So today, to understand if this retracement is over, so you will take a look at this ice, right, on Fibonacci. Take a look at this ice, right? We saw that this price actually dropped to a level of 23.6. Guess what? Again, it broke the level of 23.6. The next level we will be aiming for or targeting of this Fibonacci is a level of 38.2. That is a level of 17.21, right? Let's see it. So we'll be targeting this level, which is about 17.21, right? So price is currently trading at 1738. So we want to see drop to a level of 1721, right? So this is one of the reasons why we kind of went bullish on this our gold, then price eventually dropped. So when you take a look at this daily time frame, I don't think the pullback is over, right? The reason is that would want to kind of see the price take out this level, right, before it continues its bullish move. So have it in mind that there's strong possibility or probability that this gold will not even drop to a level of 17.21. Reason is that this our USD index, right? We are expecting a bearish move, right? So we are expecting a bearish move. As long as this USD index or DSY continues to give us a bearish move, then we would continue to see a bullish move on this gold to USD. So if by next day USD or DXY opens and closes bearish, then expect a bullish move on this USD index, right? And again, we are at a level price as reacted to previously. Now, take a look at this level, right, on USD index. I mean, gold, right? We saw that this price once came to this level. We saw a reaction at this level. We saw price came to this level, pull back to tap this level. We saw a reaction at this level. Now, take a look at it here. Price also reacted at this level. So currently, we are at this same level. Price has reacted to previously. Of course, we expect price to also react at this level. So have it in mind that this gold, we will be expecting a bullish move anytime soon. So that should now take us to the 4-hour time frame to understand this price itself. So on the 4-hour time frame, guess what? Price is below our 10-period moving average. So I mean, this is kind of like a bearish move, right? Though we'd be expecting a bullish move anytime soon. Like I said, we will be expecting a bullish move anytime soon. It just depends on how the DXY plays out. If the DXY opens and closes bearish, then be expecting a bullish move on this gold, right? So if eventually market opens, DXY opens and closes bearish, then be expecting a bullish move on this gold, like an impulse move. We can now consider this as a correction on gold. Then the next level we will be aiming for on gold may be another impulse move that should be able to break this size. But if in case gold eventually drops, then we would actually see it drop to this level of 17.21 before it's kind of push up. So there are two levels is gold will actually give us that bullish move. One, it's either it give us a bullish move at a level of 1738. At this level it is currently, is that it continues its bullish move, or it drops further down to this level of 17.21 before we go bullish. But before we would want to take a buy, right? Before we want to take a buy, we would have to go to the 30-minute time frame. So once you spot multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame, then I advise you to take it a buy. You can now buy. But on this 30 minutes time frame, we are still on a bearish move. So as still in the indication, like I just previously said, this gold is still dropping. I don't think the bullish move has started yet, though we'll be expecting a bullish move anytime soon, but I don't think it has started yet. Would want to see multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame before we go long. So if the multiple break of structure upward does not happen on the gold, on our gold, then do not expect to go long. Continue to short it. Let's see this price will actually drop further down. Let's see if it take out these lows on this gold, right? Let's see to take out this lows of 17.32. First of all, let's see drop to level 17.32 on this our gold value. So like I said, wait for a multiple break of structure upward on 30 minutes time frame before you decide or consider to go long.